Hey everybody, it's Jar from Savvy Saving Couple, and today I'm going to show you how to turn this ordinary doorbell into a video doorbell with the NuTone knock video doorbell. So stay tuned and we'll show you how it's done. In the box, the NuTone knock doorbell comes with the video doorbell, mounting plate, screws, wire connectors, and Torx driver. Instructions. So let's get started. Alright, first thing you need to do is locate your chime box. Mine's right here. Pull the cover off and grab one of the two diodes that the knock doorbell system came with. If you have a front and rear doorbell that you're installing, then you're going to need both diodes. In my case, I only have a front, so I'm going to need one diode. And then what we're going to do is we're going to connect this diode in between the transformer and the front contacts inside that chime box. That's going to be a first step. Okay, we just powered it up and it's flashing green and red, which according to the instructions means it's in discovery mode. Okay, solid green light means that we are connected.